Good day, traders. My name is Wilco van Bokstal from Trade React. I'm going to do a quick update forecast on the Euro USD for the coming week. The week from 16th until the 20th of June 2014. We will have a quick look at the news. To see what's going on this week. Euro news, we got Monday nothing important. Tuesday the Euro 11 European time. German zoo, economic sentiment, very important. So we're looking for price action on Tuesday, definitely. Forecast is better than expected. As you can see when you open it, you can see the previous forecasts and the actual results. We're all worse actually. Expected better, expected about the same, expected less, and it all was disappointed. So they're slightly too positive maybe, is my opinion. But we're gonna look how that works out. More Euro news, not, but of course other news like the USD will definitely have some weight on that. Core CPI, FOMC on Wednesday, very important. Unemployment claims on Thursday. So that's what we look out for in the Euro USD news. Now we're going back to the charts. Here we are. I'm going to look at some price action. I already draw in some trend lines of last week. I'm not going to start really clean slate right now, because we're going to use these lines also this week. We're at the lows again of, let's say, around end of September 2013. It dipped, made a false break lower here in November 2013. We have some lows in January, end of January, begin February this year. And we've come back again to the pin bar of 5th of June. And now we're having some price action here we're looking at. Coming into support lines. And we're going to the 4-hour chart now. Or something I want to show you at the daily. If we look purely at the last day's candles, we see the pin bar and then failing, not even touching my drawn in resistance at 136, around 36, 37, with price action here, and here the support, and here support, resistance. It didn't even get there on this pin bar, so this pin bar failed. At last, it didn't yet close below it, but this tells me a lot that it failed even touching the 200 MA and the trend line. What I also see is the red candles, big candles, another indecision red candle, a bullish indecision candle with wicks on both sides, another bearish in the indecision candle with long wick up but hard rejected, and now a slight tiny candle that's also bearish. So I'm actually bearish more than I think it will look for retracement of these lows. So I'm looking for sell opportunities on lower time frames until the pin bar low has been broken with a full open and close below that would trigger for me after these lows again. We're running into some resistance, but depending on price action, on the effect on news, look at the fundamentals like I showed on the calendar earlier. I'm bearish this week. I'm gonna zoom in to the 4 hour, zoom some out. I can also draw in some lines. I'm gonna use some short lines. As we see some tops, you can have them here, because this doesn't make sense for me, or you have to look at this, so on for breaking a false break. So we're gonna draw them both in for you. Not that those are what I'm watching, not really, but just to give a view of the price action, what's in there. You can also use a fib. And what we see there is that it broke above the 23% fib. That most of the time that means touching at least 38, almost intersecting my red resistance line, but it didn't even get there and it got straight back down. So obviously you could see it as a false break, and then price then turning lower. Going back to the daily. So we put in a small line, short line here. Or let me make it a resistance line around here. Seeing resistance here, support here, support here, support, support. Here slight resistance, price action, and resistance. So I'm making this line red for resistance, looking with stops above here, or price action around here to get in, or below the low. Then I'm removing the fib. We can look at expansion, fib expansion, down and back in. There was a target here at the 161. Not sure I have all the levels set up here in the fibs. I would like to show you. No. Oh. Sorry, I moved it. Again, also do the retracement reverse. We have a 161 here, but that will be a longer term support. As you can see, price has resistance here, 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 false break. Some price action around here pushing it higher finally, so this is definitely support we're looking at, but not for the coming week unless it makes a nosedive. Okay, back to the 4 hour. We're looking at this resistance, this price action channel, break below. On the 1 hour, you see this has some resistance. You can trade on the smaller time frame, you can scalp it. The zone or these zones. If it wants to fake out stops, you can look for these highs, recent highs, or these recent highs. You have to watch price action for that. To trade it down lower, when it comes above this red line, a close, an open and close above, it will be bullish again. So watch what it does after the market has opened, or I think it just has opened or is about to open. So that was the update of today for the coming week of the Euro USD. Watch the price action and the news, and I wish you all the best in trading. Good luck this week. Manage your risk, manage your position size, be smart, be clever. Don't overtrade. Watch the charts and the price action. Please like this video, if you like it of course. Share it with a friend who can learn from it. Subscribe to the channel for more updates coming around the Euro USD or the GBP USD, as in my other video. Go watch that also. And I hope to see you in the next one. Sorry.